Salesforce Net Zero Cloud accredited professional exam dumps questions are the latest version in the whole market, which are valid in preparation. Share some Salesforce Net Zero Cloud exam questions here. 1. Where can the Sustainability Manager configure their preference for Scope 2 emissions? 1. A. Both are always active, therefore simply hide the field if the client does not want to see both. B. Define the correct Scope 2 in the emission factors. C. It is selected in the Salesforce setup under Net Zero Cloud Scope 2 feed or Sustainability Scope. D. It is a prompt during the installation of the managed package. 2. The client can fill any energy use data gaps for commercial buildings and data centers using system estimates. The client can also enter the data manually. What user permission is required to use data gap filling? 1. A. Sustainability Cloud or Net Zero Cloud. B. Einstein Analytics permission. C. Event Monitoring Analytics admin. D. Sustainability App Manager. 3. A sustainability manager wants to update the Net Zero Cloud package. How can they ensure that customized fields or supplemental emissions are not changed when they update Net Zero Cloud with a new release? 1. A. The managed package will automatically deploy with each release and maintain custom fields. B. Upgrade via the partner who originally installed the package who will manage the custom fields. C. A managed package can be deployed manually when the customer is ready and will maintain custom fields. D. Nothing needs to be done because Net Zero Cloud updates automatically 3 times per year. 4. Which is true of the Net Zero Cloud experience for managers on a mobile device? 1. A. Need mobile to upload an image of the utility bills. B. Compact layouts control which fields appear in header. C. Entering records as the same by report are only on desktop. D. Requires additional licensing to use in mobile. 5. What is the base accounting methodology that Salesforce Net Zero Cloud uses? 1. A. American Carbon Registry Standard. B. Clean Development Mechanism. C. Carbon Disclosure Product. D. Greenhouse Gas Protocol. 6. An auditor needs to see the dashboards in Analytics Studio. What 3 permission set licenses and permission sets should the auditor be assigned? 3. A. Sustainability App Auditor. B. Event Monitoring Analytics App. C. Sustainability App Manager. D. Event Monitoring Analytics User. E. Event Monitoring Analytics Admin. 7. Sarabi has negotiated a new virtual power purchase agreement for her company. What object would she use to store this information? 1. A. Energy use record. B. Organization asset. C. Energy contract. D. General emissions factor. 8. Kevin is reviewing an energy use record for an office building that his company owns. There are only Scope 2 emissions being calculated and no Scope 1 emissions. What does he need to change? 1. A. Input the correct emissions factor, electricity record. B. Fill in the electricity consumption field. C. Ensure that the company-owned asset checkbox is selected on the organization asset. D. Change the record type to general. 9. Which three declarative automation tools can be used to trigger actions? 3. A. Workflow rules. B. Apex triggers. C. Process builder. D. API code. E. Flow builder. 10. What three things are correct about energy use records and carbon footprint records? 3. A. Carbon footprint records can be the sum of a single asset for a given year. B. Net Zero Cloud does not employ energy usage records to do the carbon calculations. Instead, the client has to create custom records. C. The many-to-many relationship allows the client to create a single asset for multiple years of any period of time. D. The many-to-many relationship allows the client to associate multiple assets for any period of time. E. Energy use records have to represent monthly usage.